seconds we'll start. First, we will work out the sums. What is on the screen? Sujin, sit down. I will tell you how to copy that. Then we will go to the next worksheet. Children, don't make anybody write your assignment. You have to do by yourself. Surely ma'am will not do any corrections, okay? And some children, those who are not attending the class, I don't know how to inform them. They have to copy the assignment, write down in your test note, write all the answers, then take a photo of it and upload it. Okay then. Okay, let's start our lesson now. Okay, now we completed the first row. Now we are going to do the next row. Okay, we are going to do the next row. Now what you have to do is, please take a new page. Take a new page. We are continuing the multiplication now. Take a new page and write. No need to write multiply. Just on the first line, 3 squares you have to take. 121 into 2. Please listen carefully. Leave 2 squares. Write this sum. Leave 2 squares. Write this sum. You write only 3 sums on a line like, leaving 2. Only copy the first 3. Yes. 121. Children, you have to listen carefully, because when you say each number, there should be clarity, like 121 you must not say. 121 into 2. Exactly like this you have to write. 121 into 2. Now, I will be asking some children to complete these sums. Let me take the list. Yeah. Now, I'm going to start with A class right now. Anandit, where are you? Anandit? Anandit? Yes. Anandit, you have to attend class every day, okay? Because sometimes back I was calling out, you were not there. But still I know that you will attend. Anandit, you are going to do the first sum with ma'am. How to multiply 121 into 2? Tell me. How to start 121 into 2?
1 into 2. 1 into 2 is 2.
Very good. After that,
2 into 2 is 4.
2 into 2 equals
4.
4. Again.
2 into 1 is 2.
No. 1 into 2. Children, please look at the screen. Yeah, 2. Now listen. He finished telling the answer and he finished telling how to do. 1 into 2 equals 2. Excuse me, children. No turning on your mic. I cannot come back to the screen and see who's turning on the mic. Please listen to ma'am. Only write the first sum. 1 2's are. 2 2's are. 1 2 is. Sorry. Only 1. 1 2 is. 2 2's are. 1 2 is. Now let me see. Now. Sujin, show me that sum what you have done. In between, please don't talk, children. I'm very strict about it. The continuity of the class will go. Sujin, show me the first sum, Sujin.
Okay, ma'am.
Just show me. I just want to know whether you have done. Little left side. Little left side. No, no, no. Little up, little up. Take it up. I told you new page. You didn't take a new page. I cannot see, Sujin. You're showing. Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Little up, ma'am. Little up. Yeah. 1, 2. Little more. The last line I cannot see. Yeah, good. That is 3 threes. Which one is done now? Ma'am.
Ma'am, he has completed everything, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Never mind, ma'am. It's okay, it's okay. Now, press. I just want to check. Abhishek, can you show me the first sum? Never mind, children, if you have done everything, very good. Abhishek, can you show me the first sum? First sum. Show me, ma. I just want to know whether you all are doing it okay. Little closer. Okay, children. Okay. Now let's go back to the first one once again. I will just explain to the children, those who are not able to do. Those who have done, very good. Now children, look at the screen. 1, 2 is 2. No need to say 1 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is 2. Now Cyrus, tell me the answer for the first one.
Ma'am, and the first one is 11
No.
into 5.
No, no, this one on the screen. 121 into.
121 into 2.
What is the answer?
1 into 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4.
Very good.
1 into 2 is 2. So the answer is 242.
Very good. 242. Please check. Children, I told you not to say 1 into 2 because it will take time. 1 2 is 2. 2 2 suffer is how you say the table. Turn off your mic. Somebody's talking there. Akshita, MP, turn off your mic. Children, why should you turn on your mic and speak at home? Turn off your mic, Akshita. Only when I call your name, you have to turn on. Okay. Now, second one. Ashwant, help me to do the second sum. 303 into 3. Which table you have to say, Ashwant?
Table, ma'am.
Which table?
3 table. Third
Table
table.
of 3. Very good. Start doing it.
1 3 is 3.
No. From here, 3 3s are.
3 3s are 9.
Very good. Then you take 0. 0 3s are.
0 3s are 0.
Very good. Last one, hundredths place. 3 3s are.
3 3s are 9.
Now, can you tell me the answer? What answer did you get?
909.
Very good, Ashwan. Children, all are getting marked for this. Okay. 909. Children, certain things you can leave. 900 and 9, no need to say. 909. Generally, I'm speaking. Not only to one child, everybody. And instead of into, how he did 3 3s are 9 and 3 zeros are 0. 3 3s are 9. Like that you can say. Very good. Next child is Hrithik Pranav. Cyrus finished telling the first one. So Hrithik, in order I'm going. Hrithik, yes, where are you? No. Okay. John Matthew. John.
Ma'am.
Yes, John, you are going to do with me. Okay, John. Now, tell me the third one. 702
Into 2.
John, you heard how other children spoke. Same way you have to speak. 702 into 2. Say,
702 into 2.
yeah, you must tell me. I'm not going to say. Tell the first one. 2 2s are.
2 2s are 4.
Very good. Then,
0 2s are 0.
0. Very good. Next one. 7 2s are.
7 2s are 14.
Very good. So what is the answer now? What is the answer? The keep it.
704.
Answer is 1404. I am not giving you the answer. Okay.
1004.
Very good. 7 2s are 14. So you are getting 1404. Very good. Now, next person is Kevin Johnson. Kevin. Yes, Kevin, help me to do fourth sum. Kevin.
540.
1 minute. 500 and you don't say because it's not necessary. 504. Say
504.
into 1.
500 into 1.
Say. You have to take one. 4 1 is 4.
4 1 is 4. 0 1 is 0.
Very
5
good.
1 is 5.
Very, very good. Big clap for all the children, those who answered. Okay. Kevin, very good. So the answer is, without doing it, sir, you can say, because any number into 1, you get the same number. Any number into 1. Okay, you will get the same number. So the answer is 504. Very good. The next child is Kushagra. Kushagra.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on now, Kushagra. 404. Sorry, 400. Read out, Kushagra.
3 3s are 9.
No, 1 second. I don't want the answer. I asked you to read out the sum. 403.
Like this.
Read after me.
403
Into 3.
into 3.
Now, tell me the sum.
3
3 3s are.
3 3s are 9.
Yeah. Next, fast. 0 3s are.
0 3s are 0.
4 3s are.
12.
Very good. So the answer is, read after me. 1000.
1000 and
No and. No and. 1000.
1200.
209.
9.
Very good. Now, children, I hope you'd have completed all this. Now you have to take a new page because we are going to the next one. Okay, let us see. Hope all of you would have completed. Sona, did you complete? Did you complete, Sona?
Yes,
Very good, Sona. Very good. Don't feel bad if you haven't completed. I will wait. Okay, now let's see the next one. Yes, let's see the next one. It will take 5 minutes because we are going to do the next worksheet. Take a new page, write today's date, get ready, okay? Ma'am will close this and ma'am will go to the next one. Yes, just wait. Don't tell ma'am I cannot see, I'm just going to put only. Not this, not this. Just wait a second, take a new page. What happened? Yeah. Listen now. Just wait. Ma'am is going to present it. Yes. Now listen here, children. Already you got this worksheet. We are just going to tell all the answers by reading it. Okay. By reading it, we are going to say the answers. Can you see the screen, children? No need to write anything. Only just write today's date. Only the answers. What is underlined, only you will write. Don't write anything. Don't write any question, especially to Tritip, Cyrus and all. Don't write any question because this worksheet is there with you. Ma'am will ask one by one. Okay. Now, it's about measurement. I just want you to answer. Excuse me. Now, the first person. Now, Lokesh, are you there, Lokesh? Lokesh? No. Mithilesh? Naren? Naren? No. Prajan?
Ma'am, Naren, ma'am.
Who's this?
Naren, ma'am.
Naren, please come, Naren. After a long time you're coming. You have to answer. Ma'am will help you. Now, Naren, can you see the glass, the tumbler? Other children don't talk. Okay. Listen now. You can see three things. Who's that talking there? Children, when I'm taking class, please don't talk. Only Naren. Okay, Naren, try to help me. I will help you. Can you see three items over there? Naren? Naren, please have little life and speak loud. First one. What is it, Naren? The first one.
Glass.
Glass, a tumbler. Okay, tea. Second one is one bottle. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the third one is one bucket. All these things have water. Okay, children. Now, Naren is going to answer. Which item holds the most? More. Most means more water. Can you tell me which one?
Glass.
Excuse
Bucket.
me, Naren. Bucket. Only Naren is answering. Very good, Naren. And Naren, just wait. Which one holds the least quantity? See here, this is 2-liter bottle. Which one? You're seeing it small, but it's 2-liter bottle like Fanta, Miranda, all that. The first one is only a tumbler, small glass. So which one holds least quantity of water?
Tumbler.
Naren, is it the tumbler, the glass, or the bottle?
Tumbler.
Say loud, Naren. Is it the glass, 200 milliliter or 2-liter bottle?
Glass.
Yes, very good. Children, just have a look at these pictures. First one, a glass. Actually, it's tea is put there. You just imagine it's water. Second one, a bottle of water, 2-liter. Then 20-liter. Okay. So bucket holds the most and the glass holds the least. Very good. Now we'll go to the next one. You have to think an answer, okay? Don't write anything. Now, Sachin, are you present? Present, are you there? Present.
I'm present, ma'am.
Okay, listen to me. Capacity, second, Roman number 2. The first question. The capacity of a swimming pool would be measured. You know what? How big the swimming pool will be or is. Okay, you can imagine a swimming pool. Can you measure it with milliliter. Oh, excuse me, who's that? Rajan, I haven't completed the question. How can you measure? Capacity means the water inside the pool. Listen carefully, everybody. How will you measure? Will you measure with milliliters or liters?
Milliliters.
Okay, leave it. Sona, can you tell me?
Ma'am, the answer is liters.
Say louder, Sona.
The answer is liters.
Liters. Are you telling liters, Sona?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sona, I cannot hear your voice. Never mind. Sona said liters. I could see her telling liters. Children, milliliter below 1 liter, 1000 milliliter will make a liter. Present, listen carefully. A bucket of water, a bottle of milk, all that can be measured in liters. Okay, capacity, volume, how much it contains. Okay, how much water is inside that bottle. Tumbler means milliliter. Now, Akshida, I didn't call you Akshida. Akshida, when I call your name, you speak, ma. I'm explaining now. Okay. What happened, Akshida? Tell me. They're just playing. Okay. Let us go to the next one. 1 second. Children, there's nothing to write.
Problem, ma'am.
Akshida, what happened? In between, parents, don't allow them to turn on the mic. I don't know the problem. Okay, now, let's go to the next one. Don't write anything. Now, next child is Sachin. Sachin?
Ma'am,
Yes, good morning, Sachin. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, now listen to this question, Sachin. The capacity, that is a volume. How much the tank of a car? See, when you go out, when the petrol is not enough in your car, you will be just going to the bunk and putting petrol. Okay, so a car, the capacity of the tank of a car would be measured in. How will you measure the petrol in your car? Like, you will tell 1 liter, 2 liter, or 1 milliliter, 20 milliliter. How will you say? Liter. Very good. Liter. Okay. Bigger than a bottle. One bottle contains 1 liter of water or milk, oil, whatever. So bigger things you have to use liters. It's not necessary for you to learn it by heart, but you have to keep in your mind for you to go to the next class. Good, Sachin. Sanjay Krishna, third one. Sanjay Krishna, third one. The capacity of a drop of milk. Drop of milk. Just imagine a drop. Would be measured in?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Sanjay, tell me. Milliliter. Very good. See, when you say, you must say properly milliliter or millimeter. Okay, milliliter, because only one drop. Very good. Now, next one is Sanjeevan. After that, we'll go to 2B. Sanjeevan, where are you? Sanjeevan? Not there. Sanjeevan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sanjeevan, can you tell me the last one? The capacity of a water sprayer at a barber. You know, when you go for haircut, barber will be taking one thing. He'll be just applying that spray. Okay, water spray. At a barber shop would be measured. How will you measure that water? Liter or milliliter, Sanjeevan?
Liter.
What is it?
Liter.
No, he'll have one small bottle like plastic one. Big 1 liter, but this one Usually they measure in milliliter, okay, because they cannot be carrying 1 liter and put the spray. So small one, okay, below 1000 milliliter. Okay, children. Now we'll go to the next one. This is very, very easy. Good, Sanjeevan? Okay, now next child is, you can turn off your mic. I'm going to take the next set of children. Abhisha. Abhisha. Abhisha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Abhisha. Ring the unit. You don't write anything because this worksheet is there in your mail. Ring the unit you will use to measure the capacity in each of the following. Capacity, how much it can hold. Volume. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, a can where you carry oil, all that. Can of cool drink. A can of cold drink. You're going to buy a can. Okay. How will you measure it? Is it liter or milliliter? I'm going to ask Abhisha.
Milliliter, ma'am.
Abhisha.
Ma'am.
A can. When you go to buy Sprite or Mirinda, Coca-Cola, anything, always it will be above. A can means little bigger than the bottle. Or small can, what do you mean? Okay, you just imagine if it's a small one. Milliliter. She said milliliter. Okay, now listen. A can be big also, where you can carry oil. But you're small enough. What you buy from the shop is a small paper thing like bottle. Tin can. Okay, a can of cold drink. Okay, it can be milliliter. Okay, children. Abhisha, did you get it, Abhisha? Don't think of the big can be by oil and all that. You just keep in your mind the small tin one. Like, yes, 38 rupees one. Coca-Cola will be there. No, one small red bottle like that. Okay, can. Then Pepsi, tin, blue one. Okay, that small cans. Okay, good. Did you understand, Abhisha?
Ma'am.
Yes, you said it correctly. Now, for everybody, don't take it as big one. If you write ml or L, you will get marked because some children will be seeing the big can, 5 liter can of oil. This is cold drink. Cool drink, of course, you'll have 2 liters at the most, not more than that. 2 liters, then 100 milli like that. Okay. Even you'll have soft drinks, all like that. Now, second one is a bucket. Keep in your mind a bucket of colored water. Akshita MP, a bucket of colored water. Akshita, how will you measure this in a bucket? Aratrika.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me, Aratrika, a
Yes,
bucket of colored water? Liter. Very good. Now, Evelyn, Sarah, I want to ask you something. It's not on the screen. Evelyn,
Yes, ma'am.
now you want to have some small tin, like some shake and all that. Okay. How will you measure it? Will you measure it in milliliter or liter? That small tin, small can.
Milliliter.
Very good, Evelyn. Very good. Okay, children, now it's time to close the class. You can just think like a pot of tea, a bowl of soup, a mug of coffee. All this will be measured in milliliters. Okay, now let me see you. Now listen. Some children want to talk now and then. Another thing, children, 1 second. Don't go. They won't be